So hi guys, today I'm going to show you a lovely handlebar grip hack. From this handlebar, this is a mountain bike, and from the end to end here is 80 centimeters. I'm planning to use this bike for a long charity ride. It's a road ride, and for long straights, when you have your hands on the extreme outer edges, your elbows can get really tired and a lot of strain, and your arms almost in the locked position. So for the long straights, the most comfortable position is actually here, close, and you get nice relaxed elbows and upper and lower arm. So what I done was, I done a long ride as a practice, and when I say long ride, 80 kilometers, which was approximately 5 to 6 hours of riding with a couple of breaks in between. Now I had these old worn out handlebar grips from my old mountain bike, and I just left them in the toolbox. So on the day, very quickly, I just put sellotape on them, and just to test it out, will it actually work? And it worked absolutely lovely. When the roads were empty and long straight, and you can see no one in front of you for like hundreds and hundreds of meters, have your hands here, and it's nice and comfortable, really comfortable. And that really helped me do the full 80 kilometers, or else I think I would have struggled here. So today I'm going to show you, I'm going to take these off, and I'm going to show you what we're going to put on next. So let me just take these off for now. So like I said, these were done on the actual morning really quickly. I'm actually quite glad I had these old ones left. I'm taking this off because I don't want to damage my paintwork on my handlebar. Alright, and just slides off. There we are. So it was old rubber, they can go in the bin now. And take that one off as well. I just literally done it in about 2 minutes. Cut them up, put them up, and just wrap some sellotape around. There we are. Now for this hack, obviously you're going to need a pair of scissors to cut things. I was looking for green ones, but then I thought if I put green here, it's going to really stand out, and everyone's going to go, why has it got more green here? So I got black, and I picked these up from eBay, the cheapest rubber, nice long ones, for £3 a pair, and that included shipping, and this was in the UK, so they're going to go on there. Now to put them on there, I'm going to have to cut this off around, and then cut a straight line through there, open it up and put it on. I could put it straight on there, and I've got double-sided foam tape here, so I could put it straight onto there, but when I come to take this off, it's going to leave sticky residue here. I've got graphics on here on both sides, and I don't want to use any solvents to take the sticky stuff off. It might damage the paintwork and make it dull or discolor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this frame film on, and this stuff comes off really easily, so I'm going to put this on first. Then on top of that, I'm going to put the double-sided foam tape, and then these will slide on top. So I'll show you all this right now. So first of all, it has an air hole here, so just going to cut it to the edge there, and then just slowly cut all the way around. Yeah, just around the edge. There we are, done. I'll neaten it up a little bit with the scissors off camera. Then we're going to make a straight cut. I'm going to go for where the tool joint line is. On the actual day when I did the 80 kilometers test ride, I had a friend with me, and I said to him a few times, this is the best hack I've done. So there we are. So for the long rides, I'll have my hand here, nice and comfortable. Okay guys, so let me go and do the other one, and I'll be back in a moment. Alright guys, I have cut it, made it nice and neat around. There we are. So I've left this one on as a measurement for where I'll have my hand there, so I can measure the other one. So give you a wipe. These are always a pain to get off, but this is really nice thin film, and like I said, it comes off really easily. So I'll put strips like this. The film is on. First one was a bit messy, didn't get my measurements right, and this one is gone on really neatly, you can see. Now the reason I done them in strips, because you can see the diameter here is big and it gets curved and gets smaller here, so the strips makes it easier to put on and less creases and folds. So I've got that one positioned exactly where I want it, and then by eye I'll measure it and put that one on. So that's the reason why I went for thin strips. Now I'm gonna put this on here. Let's go for 1 and a bit, 1 and a bit. So it's about there. These ones, I'm just going to put one strip here and one strip there. So actually just there. And then just roughly estimating there. And just cut it off. Wrap it round and almost perfect. Just need to do a little trim there. It's better to have it slightly smaller with a gap. You don't want it to actually overlap, because you'll be able to feel it through your hand. So that fits nicely there. And then when you're ready, you just strip it off. Love this foam tape. Next piece. Now this one might get a little bit of curve in there, so we'll put it at an angle, wrap it round because I've got room here, and then I can see exactly how much I need. There we are. Done. So wrap, actually take that off. Press it, take the second cover off. Let's have that way, and we want the cut to be at the bottom, and there we are. Absolutely lovely. Okay, that's not moving anyway. Gonna do the same for this side, and when I'm done I show you guys. There we are. Check, check. Happy with that distance, happy with the grip. Absolutely fantastic. Okay guys, I might do some recording on the day and add it to this video of the event, how this all goes. Okay, so that's just for holding there, long distance, straight, comfortable. Try it, give it a go guys. If you do a lot of road riding with your mountain bike, which has got a really wide handlebar stem, then it's worth. And if you're suffering from elbow pain especially, and this area, joints and muscle pain after a long ride, give this a go. All right.